My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer.
Oh, hey there, folks. So it's the morning here. It's December 31st. It's going to be 2022 tomorrow. Yep. The forecast is freaking snow everywhere, and I got to drive home in it. I'm not very stoked about that. Not very stoked at all. So I think that I'm just gonna grumble all day and look at the road and try and not drive off. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So I have about an hour till I need to be at the ferry terminal, and I decided to come out to this little park. It's a lagoon in Nanaimo, and I'll show you why. Oh man, so I'm gonna take some pictures and enjoy this while I can, because it's a beautiful world out there, people. I'm out here to explore it. The snow is very deep. I mean, it was anyway, over there. Look at that! It's cold. Look at this view. Isn't that incredible? What an incredible place to live in. Feeling pretty grateful right now.
Well, unfortunately, my time here is at an end. I have to get back to Thomas and drive to the ferry so that I can get on the 10:40 sailing. Hopefully it's not totally booked up. Well, there's Thomas looking very, very overloaded. Show you something kind of funny. So I got Ford Explorer leaves in the back, and they are presently inverted. I normally wouldn't drive around with this much weight, but gonna have to get airbags like I said before. Also, I hope that my truck actually starts.
Well, success. I made it to the ferries, and I'm gonna go on the ferry and drive. I mean the sail, float around and things. That is if I can find my lane. It's 29, apparently, and I can't see any of the numbers on the ground. So, cool. That's awesome. Oh, there we go. Cool. That dog is not happy about being left there. Buddy. Hey there folks, thanks again for following along on these YouTube videos of mine. I really appreciate those of you who have been commenting and just letting me know you enjoy my content. I would really love it if you haven't already subscribed to hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and leave a comment of your own. Definitely feel free to let me know what you want to see. If you just want to see more build stuff, if you want to see more travel stuff, I will do my best to deliver. Yeah, what I've got planned for the future is just kind of more build stuff anyway, and then as the summer hits, a lot more travel. So I'm doing my best to make this interesting. As of right now, I'm just kind of just showing you what the heck I'm doing, and then as I start to chase races and hike mountains and ride bikes and drive trucks and all that stuff, it should get a little bit more interesting. Anyway, thanks again for just being along for the ride. Still no catchphrase. So anyway, later. So as an afterthought, leave a comment below and let me know what you think my catchphrase should be. Maybe I'll use it, maybe I'll modify it, but just make it something fun and stupid, and I'll definitely say it.